In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Chrome CPU usage. If Chrome has been using too much of your computer's processing power, there are a few simple settings you can check that may help improve performance. We're going to go through the process step by step inside Chrome, and this should only take a few minutes. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access the browser's settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can adjust how the browser runs on your device. On the left side, look for the System section and click it. This area contains performance-related options that can affect how smoothly Chrome works. Once you're in System, find the option for using graphics acceleration. Make sure this setting is turned on. Hardware or graphics acceleration allows Chrome to use your computer's graphics hardware for certain tasks, instead of putting all the work on the CPU. In many cases, this can help reduce processor usage and make browsing feel smoother, especially when watching videos, using web apps, or opening multiple tabs. After you enable that option, click Relaunch. Chrome needs to restart for the change to take effect. When it relaunches, your tabs will usually reopen automatically, but it's still a good idea to save any important work before doing this. Next, click the three-dot menu again and go to About Chrome. On this page, Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, make sure it gets installed. Running the latest version of Chrome is important because updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and better resource management. Once the browser is fully updated, allow it to finish any restart prompt if needed. After that, click the three dots one more time. Then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. This page shows all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Take a careful look through the list and remove any extensions you no longer need. Extensions can run in the background and sometimes use more CPU than expected, especially if you have a lot of them installed or if some are outdated. By turning on graphics acceleration, making sure Chrome is updated, and removing unnecessary extensions, you can often lower Chrome's CPU usage and improve overall browser performance. If you found this helpful, follow along with these steps carefully, and your browser should run more efficiently.